Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can clean and protect leather sofa. Take a dry cloth and wipe any dust on the sofa. There is always dust on the edges or in between the sofa. Wipe out that dust as well. After wiping with the dry cloth, I soak cloth in a warm water and now gently wiping leather. Might be the camera does not show the dirty cloth, but I can see the dirt on the cloth. If you have a baby wipes, you can also use the baby wipes as well instead of wet cloth, but this is totally optional. I cleaned whole sofa, now I will let it dry. It will take roughly 10 to 15 minutes. If you like, you can use two-in-one wipes. This is Lux Leather Cleaning and Conditioner, and this is a very good wipe. Second optional I have is leather conditioner. I use the wet cloth to wipe the leather. Soon leather sofa will dry, I can use the conditioner on the top. If you like to avoid chemical on the leather sofa, then use coconut oil. This is always a good option. On a piece of cloth, pour some oil. Now apply the oil on the sofa. You do not need to put a lot of oil. You can go forward and backward, or you can go clockwise or anti-clockwise, doesn't matter. I applied the oil on the sofa. I will leave it for 2 hours and then I will wipe with the tissue or dry cloth. But again, if you do not like to use the coconut oil, you can use the leather conditioner as well. After 2 hours, gently wipe out the oil with tissue or a dry cloth, and sofa is ready to use. If you like to buy a coconut oil conditioner or wipes, links are in the description. If this video helped you, then provide a feedback in the comment box and give a like to the video. Until the next video, goodbye.